Hey guys, Victor from Wick here, back with another Wick tutorial. So there are a lot of productivity methods out there for sure, but the one that Harvard has claimed to be the most effective productivity method is timeboxing. So timeboxing is basically where you tell yourself that you'll allocate a very specific amount of time to each of your tasks and then you stick to it. And it's the philosophy that perfection is the enemy of done, and that the only way to get a lot of stuff done is to commit to doing each task for only a set amount of time and not to get carried away into the dead of night. So here's how you timebox effectively using the Wick app. So first, you want to make sure your tasks are captured in Wick, either by brain dumping to Wick or by simply adding your tasks manually. Then for timeboxing, you can either manually go into the task details and add a work time like so, or you can use the planner feature on the Wick calendar. So you just open up the planner and then you can easily drag your tasks onto the calendar. And you can also drag to adjust the time frame of each work time. And one of the biggest benefits of assigning work times to your tasks is that you'll get SMS reminders from Wick right before it's time to start, and also some nudges during your work to make sure that you're actually committing to the task and not like doom scrolling or something. And you can get more specific with your planning if you'd like, and you can do this by adding subtasks to your scheduled task. And this way you can keep track of your progress iteratively with a more complicated task. Now finally, if you want to time box yourself more ambiguously, like say you want to work on a study session with your buddy, but you got a lot of ambiguous things that you got to get done in no strict order, you can create a work block like so and then drag some tasks into it. Another reminder is that all of this stuff is available via our UI, but also via our AI. So for example, you can go ahead and go to chat and ask Wick to create some work blocks for you. Anyway, I hope this video about how to time block your tasks and priorities in Wick makes sense to y'all, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks so much for watching.